Welcome to PlungeChill Official. Today, we'll walk you through how to set up your PlungeChill Max with the 1/3 HP chiller. What's included? Inside the package, you'll find PlungeChill Max tub, U-shaped support tubes, vertical support tubes, 3-way connectors, 1/3 HP chiller, power cord, drain hose, air pump, waterproof thread seal tape, threaded hose connectors, insulated tub lid, water hoses. Step 1. Assemble the tub. Begin by inserting the U-shaped support tubes into the tub's inner sleeves. When each tube reaches the center, guide it through a 3-way connector, then continue inserting it through the remaining half of the sleeve. Connect both ends of the U-shaped tube to the connectors on the opposite sides of the tub. Repeat the same process for the other side. Next, insert the vertical support tubes into the sleeves on both sides of the tub. Use the 3-way connectors to connect the vertical tubes to the U-shaped support tubes. Repeat on the opposite side until the frame is fully assembled. Inflate the tub's top air ring. Using the included air pump, inflate all air chambers until the tub feels firm. Then flip the top air ring outward to give the tub its final shape. Make sure the top air ring is fully expanded, smooth, and free of any wrinkles or creases. Finally, inflate the insulated tub cover, which helps maintain the water temperature. Step 2. Install the hoses. Wrap the waterproof thread seal tape around the threaded connector. Then, screw the threaded connectors onto the tub's water valves by turning them clockwise until they are firmly tightened. Next, insert one hose into the upper threaded connector and tighten it securely. Repeat the same process for the other hose, ensuring both connections are tight and leak-free. Step 3. Connect the chiller. Connect the hoses to the chiller. Attach the hoses as follows: bottom connection to the bottom port, top connection to the top port. If needed, use the included hose clips to secure the hose connections. Finally, plug the power cord into the chiller's power inlet. Make sure all the connections are tight and secure before moving on. Step 4. Fill the tub. Fill the tub with water. Once the tub is filled, fully open both water valves. Step 5. Power on the chiller. Then press the red power switch on the back of the unit. The display will light up and begin flashing. Use the up and down buttons to select your desired water temperature. Within a few moments, you'll see water circulating through the system. Allow the chiller to run until the water reaches your selected temperature. You're all set. Your PlungeChill Max is now fully set up and ready to use. Enjoy your cold plunge experience.